Good morning, students. We'll continue with the 12th standard economics, chapter 9, physical economics. In that, next topic is federal finance. So, here the federal finance means dividing the resources, clear cut dividing the resources between the central and the state authorities. And the resources tax collect from the resources, central government, state government equally dividing. That is what the function of the main function of this federal finance. So according to this, the division of power can be of a three. It is divided into three. First one is according to the 7th schedule according to our constitution of India, the power or it can be divided into three categories. First one is the union list. Union list means 100 subject under category. So in that central government, that means how the allocation of a tax or expenses can be done. For that they given defense, railways, post office and telegrams for the union list. That means central government. State government, what and all 61 subject they are given. So in that particularly public health and police. Public health will come from the government hospitals, sanitation facility, villages, towns, everything will come under that one. Next one, the concurrent list, that 52 subject will, that is the union territory and also for the state government, both will come. For the electricities, EB office, that means electricity, trade unions will come. Then the social planning, that planning which is benefit for the people, that planning and all will come under the this federal finance in the concurrent list. Next, what are the how the tax will be collected, on the what basis? The central state finance relationship on the union source, that means central governments. First one, corporation tax. Corporation tax in the sense metropolitan cities. The tax is collected for the building of our asset. That source will go as a income. Next, currency coinage. Coinage means particular in the age la or in the period la, what is the coin? போன காலத்தில் 5 பைசா 10 பைசா இல்லை, இப்போ இருக்கிற 1 ரூபி 2 அந்த கரன்சிஸ் பிரிண்டிங் ஆர் இட்ஸ் சர்க்குலேட்டட். தட் லீகல் டெண்டர் எனிதிங் மீன்ஸ் இப்போ வில்லேஜஸில் விடுறாங்க, டெண்டர் விடுறாங்க, இந்த பாண்டு விடுவாங்கல்ல, ஏரி குளம், அதுக்கெல்லாம் டெண்டர் அதுவும் இன்க்ளூட் ஆகலாம். அந்த இஃப் தே கிவிங் அ டெண்டர், ரோட் டெண்டர் they given means on the base of the government or any construction of a government building means that tender also will go, that income also will go for the central government. Next, for the customs, export import பண்றது, if it's there in the airport or and also in the harbor, both also will export import பண்றதுல when one country to another, India to or inside the country to other country, that export duties, tax and all will come. Next, tobacco, cigarettes or alcohol tax levied, no, and the tax, so it will also come as a tax. Next, agricultural land, other than the agricultural land illa, agricultural land தவிர வேற எதெல்லாம் இருக்கா? ஃப்ளாட் இருக்கு போட்டு விற்கிறாங்களா, அதுக்கு அந்த ஃப்ளாட்லாம் anything land it is left over, it is used for any other purposes other than the agriculture, that tax also will come. வீட்டு வரி கட்டுறாங்க, land வரி கட்டுறாங்கல்ல, that tax also will go in that. Next one, sixth one is that fees respect in matters of union list. That means a court, if you are going, any fees you are paying in the court to file the cases, and that fees also will go under. Next, foreign loans, if you are buying, taking from the World Bank or international IMF, that and also will come by. Next, lotteries on the organized by the government of India means if you benefited, that also will go for the state government or the central government. Next, post office savings, anything if it's interest if they have, mean that also will go to the central government. Next, post and telegrams, that means BSNL will, post and telegram, post office or a broad communication, that and all will go for the central government. BSNL office இருக்குல்ல, telephonics, and that also will go for the, as a tax will go for the central government. Next, property of a union. If any government property, if they having rented, they given means that source of income also will go as a tax. Next, public debt and union means in the central, on behalf of a central government, any kadan vaanga, borrowing, it's also will go. Next, railways vara incomes. Next, stamp duty. Stamp duty in the sense and the respect of bill of exchange, promissory notes they telling, no? That means that if I want to sell the house or I want to buy the land means a bond patrathila sign, that is called as a promissory note and stamp. Stamp duty also, the post office like and the stamp duty also we can sell. Then this patram irukra Tamil solluvaanga, that also will be considered. Next, Reserve Bank of India. And the Reserve Bank of India la, if they earn the profit, that also will goes to the central government. Next, tax income other than the agricultural land, as I said before, agricultural land தவிர வேற எதுலனா income வர மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா, that also will go for as an income for the central government. Next, tax levied on assets, buildings, or any other park irukku, public park, if it's they paying the amount only they entering, that amount also will go for the central government. Next, stamp duties and transaction, stock exchange for markets like they have dealings, no? That also, to buy that we have to pay the money, that money will go. Next, newspaper advertisement earning incoming, that also will go there. Next, passengers when they're going the railways or a sea or in the airplane, or in the they going the by the ship, no? That they carrying any goods means that goods charge or they will charge. Passenger இல்லாம நிறைய luggage charge ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, அந்த luggage charge also will go. So these are all about the central state finance. Now we'll go for the state sources. ஸ்டேட்டுக்கு எங்க எப்படியெல்லாம் இன்கம் வரும், எப்படியெல்லாம் டாக்ஸ் கலெக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன்று கேபிட்டலைசேஷன். கேபிட்டலைசேஷன் ஆஸ் ஐ செட், இப்போ டவுனில் வீட்டு வரைக்கும், கேபிட்டல் சிட்டியில் சென்னையில் இருக்கிற வீட்டு வரைக்கும் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ். ஸோ தட் கேபிட்டல் அந்த டேக்ஸ் வரி அப்படின்றாங்க, தட் ஆல்சோ வில் பி இன்கம் ஃபார் த ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு இந்த அக்ரிகல்ச்சர் லேண்ட், in respect of agricultural land சார்ந்த ஏதாச்சும் இருந்துச்சுன்னா வீட்டு அக்ரிகல்ச்சர் வரி கட்டுவாங்கல்ல அந்த லேண்டுக்கு, அந்த வரி ஆல்சோ தட் டேக்ஸ் ஆல்சோ வில் பி ஆடட் ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட்க்கு. நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து ஆல்கஹால், லிக்கர், அதில் டேக்ஸ் ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட், ஆல் திஸ் மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் அந்த firm or companies they doing, no? That tax also will be the source of income for the state. Next, அதனால தான் இந்த கொரோனா பீரியட்ல கூட அந்த ஆல்கஹால் they did not ban, because of many sources of incomes come from that only. Next, state duty in respect of agricultural land means agricultural land land they getting the income. Maybe in the farmers they pay as a tax, that also will come, or in the after selling their grains they come they give it has come as a profit, that also will come considered to be as a tax. Next, fees in respect of a not including the that means court la number file, if you are filing any cases or any regarding the in the court matters, we have to pay the fees, no? That fees also will be there. Next, land revenue apart from the agricultural land, வேற ஏதாச்சும் land for a flat you are having, for that you have to pay the tax, so that also will come under them. Next is stamp duty. Then as I said, பாண்டு பத்திரம் இருக்குல்ல, அந்த இப்போ வாங்குறதுக்காக அது பே பண்ண, that also will go. Next, agriculture income, tax and agriculture income. Next, land and building கட்டுற building tax pay பண்ணோம், if it's there means you have to pay. Next, mineral rights and the parliament relating to mineral developments, if it's there resources of anything is there, mineral resources or mineral rights development anything is then, if it's there means that also will come under this one. Next, consumption and sales of electricity. If you are using the electricity, or you are selling the, you are preparing the electricity and manufacturing electricity and producing electricity and selling to other state also, that income also will be the income for your state. Next, goods enter from the your area, that is your state, from other state, that also if you're paying means that also will come for you. Next, if you're advertisement, if you're doing in the newspaper or purchasing newspaper, that amount also will go for the state government. And next, anything passengers come from the abroad or in waterways or in the on the roadways carrying extra luggage, that luggage charge amount also will go there. Vehicle charge, road tax you are paying. Next, animals boat charge, if you are this and all animals and boat charge. If the boat charge means if that area is covered with the rivers, that will add up. Other than that we cannot collect as. Next, the tax profession trade call, if the person, if it's not activated, you are calling the employers from the other state, other places, mean that if you have to pay extra amount, then that amount also will add as a tax. Next, luxurious and the entertainment you are doing, or a amusement park you are keeping, or gambling you are keeping, for entertainment purpose you are keeping anything, if you are collecting that tax, that also will come under this one. Next, tolls, railway tolls means roads tolls free you have to pay, no, that also will come under the tax of the state government. Next, we'll go for the tax levied and collected by the union but assigned to the state. So the tax எல்லாம் வந்து central government வந்து collect பண்ணுவாங்க, but this collect பண்றது assigned to the state. இந்த work வந்து state கிட்ட கொடுப்பாங்க. So it is assigned to the states according to article of 269. What means duties in repeat of a successioned property agriculture land means agriculture land க்கு சார்ந்த அடுத்தடுத்து வர expenses, அடுத்தது வர income, that is all the sessions. So that also, that income also will be there. Maybe for if it's agriculture land, irrigation if it has to be done, and any other pesticides, that and the agriculture சார்ந்த எந்தெந்த work இருக்கோ அந்தந்த work and that including that works income also will be given to that one. That's what they cession to the property other than the agriculture land. That's what they're telling. Next, estate duty other than agriculture land. Next, railway fares and freight. Railways or luggages, or aeroplane freight or luggages charges also will be there. Next, stamp duties, as I said before, same only. The newspaper advertisement, if you are that collected. Next, railways or extra passengers, extra luggage they take, goods, that also will consider. Next, newspapers, that also will be there. So these are assigned to the work. Then next, what it is there means duties levied by the union but collected and approved by the states. இப்போ இதை இந்த அசைன் ஒர்க் பண்ணிடுவாங்க. இப்போ யார் கலெக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னா அந்த பர்டிகுலர் அப்ரோப்ரியேட் ஸ்டேட் தான் கலெக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ first what it is there is stamp duties and also the medicinal and the toilet preparation. That means construction of toilets. Maybe in the they are telling that the construction of a toilet, both they are telling for the state government, union territory also they are telling. This can be sanctioned according to articles of our constitution of 217 and the 272. According to that, it should be given both in the maybe in the hospitals, government hospitals, there are railway stations, and also will be there in the bus stands, any public places. It should be that construction of the toilets or a medical facility means that should be there. Also it be collect appropriate states. They have to, that is a duty of that concerned state should be. But sanctioned and collected by the, it is a duty of a state government. It is assigned by the central government to the state government. But this does not include the income tax in the idulla varadu. Only the toilet preparation and the state government medical and the facilities of that only will come. Income tax in